frequently asked questions about divorce and marriage in Brazil. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caroline Toledo, your go-to guide for understanding Brazilian law. But today we're going to talk about a topic that many of you may have questions about: divorce and marriage in Brazil. Whether you're considering a divorce, planning to marry someone, or just curious about the process, I'm here to break it down for you. So let's dive into the frequently asked questions that we have right now. How does divorce work in Brazil? First up, there are two main methods of divorcing in Brazil: judicial and extrajudicial. If there are children or asset disputes involved, you'll need to go to the judicial route, which means going through the court system. But if you and your partner agree on all terms, you can opt for an extrajudicial divorce. This is a faster process that's handled by a notary. Do I need to be in Brazil to file for divorce? Here's a fun fact: you don't need to be in Brazil to file for divorce. You can start the process online. However, if you're a foreign national, you're going to need to make your CPF, which is a Brazilian tax ID. What happens if you get divorced abroad, but you're still married in Brazil? This is a great question. You'll need to register your foreign divorce in Brazil to ensure that your marriage is officially terminated. Don't skip that step. It's essential for your legal status in Brazil. How is child custody determined in the Brazilian divorce? Let's talk about custody. In Brazil, custody decisions focus on what's best for the child. So this often leads to shared custody arrangements, but mothers are frequently granted the custody. The law aims to keep the things balanced and prioritize the child's well-being. And now here's an important one. Can you validate a foreign civil marriage after the death of a spouse? Yes, absolutely. The surviving spouse can register the marriage by presenting the death certificate, which must be apostilled or legalized and translated into Portuguese. This step is vital for securing your rights moving forward. What are the guidelines for child support in Brazil? And finally, what about child support? It's based on the child's need and the non-custodial parent's financial ability. Generally, payments last until the child turns 18, but it can continue if the child wants to go to college. So it's all about ensuring the kids are well taken care of. What is necessary to officialize and formalize an union in Brazil? Now let's switch gears a little bit. What is necessary to officially formalize a couple's union in Brazil? To do this, both partners must appear at the registry office with the necessary documents and bring 2 witnesses. What documents are required to validate a foreign civil marriage in Brazil? Well, you're gonna need a completed and signed marriage registration form, your foreign marriage certificate, a prenuptial agreement if applicable, original and valid passports of both spouses or another identity document, a declaration stating that one spouse is not in a previous marriage. If there was a previous marriage, you must present a death certificate or a proof of divorce. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you thought about the video, and if you have any more doubts, I'm gonna try to clear all them up here in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.